with the anatomy of the unexpected drawdown. Gold entered 2026 carrying the residue of a 64% gain through 2025 and a January spike that pushed the spot price above 5,500 per ounce. An almost 30% move compressed into just a single month. By February, when the hostilities with Iran began, the metal was priced for a continuation of the trend that had defined the prior year, the structural dollar erosion, a softening rate cycle, and a steady official sector bid. The opening month of the conflict delivered absolutely the opposite. The largest physically backed vehicle in the asset class shed 11.8% in March, leaving its year-to-date return at roughly 10% rather than 25% that would have been implied by a simple extension of the prior pattern. The behavior frustrated the simplest version of the gold as a hedge thesis. A geopolitical shock of obvious magnitude has failed to lift the metal that is supposed to absorb such shocks. Now, the explanation on inspection lies less in any broken correlation than in the specific channels through which an oil-centered war transmits into dollar and into real rates. With this, let's try and understand the dollar channel, the reserves funding the oil bid. Now, crude is invoiced in dollars when Brent and WTI lurched past $100 a barrel in March. Energy importers and the central banks managing import cover obligations needed more of the funding currency, not less. A meaningful share of that demand was met by liquidating bullion holdings into dollars to settle the oil purchases. The mechanical result was a dollar bid that ran in the opposite direction of what most geopolitical hedge narratives anticipated. Gold, which typically benefits from dollar weakness, instead absorbed the offsetting flow. Now, this is the same dynamic that made the early phase of 1990 Gulf episode and the 2022 Russia-Ukraine commodity shock messier than the gold bulls expected. The reason for the same is that in each case, the funding currency demand initially overwhelmed the safe haven impulse before reasserting itself once the dollar rally exhausted its first leg.